is A, A, right? Let's try it again. A, 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 A. Okay. So let's go on to this. So we learned the short A last week, right? But we're going to go through all of the vowels today. So this is the long E sound, right? Long E. The sound symbol, the phonetic symbol, is an I. It's a little confusing, but okay. So here we have the word here. Here. That sound in the middle, he. That's an E sound, long E. Here. The word read. Read. Long E sound. Do you need a pen? Pencil? You need to, Jumper, you need to kind of spin the top to get the lead out. Okay, okay, so the word read. Read. Right, this EA is the long E sound. Read. Read. Hear. This word review. Review. That's the long E sound, right? And then in Nima, look at that I sounds like a long E. Nima. That's a long E sound, right? So a lot of these sounds you already know. You say them all the time, right? And now over here we have the short E sound. So like I said before, oh, Yeltsin. And here, Yeltsin. Right? Short E sound. Tube 10. Right? That part of his name, 10, that's a short E sound. Ah. The word blend is a short E. Ah. The word yes. Yes. Short E. Yes. So the difference here, we have E, eh, right? E, eh, E, eh, right? E, eh. That's a, sorry. E, the sound is E, right? E, eh, right? E, eh. Okay, let's do the next letter. So the long vowel is I, right? Like in the word Mike. It's a long I. Mike. Like in the word right, right? It's a long I. Right. In the word mind, right? Long I. In the word time, long I. And over on this side, the short I, right, we have the word bit. Bit. So that sound in the middle, I, is a short I. Jinpa. Short I. Jinpa. Right? You already know the short I. Choying. Right? Right there. Ing. That's a short I. Ing. This word mix. Short I, right? So let's try these together. So the long I is I. Right? I. 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 Good. And if, you know, the more that you practice these sounds, the easier they will get. Okay? So we have the fourth one, the O, right? Long O. So we have O, and we have A. Okay. So here in the name Gonpa, right? This is a long O, Gonpa. What about in the word Jose? Jose, right? That's a long O. This word show, O, it's a long O. And how about in the word no? No, long O, right? And then over here we have my name, Rob, short O. The word off, short O. The word job, short O. And the word stop, short O. So let's try the difference. So we have, on this side we have O, and and we have ah, right? We have O and ah. We have O and ah. Yeah. Okay, so the last vowel is, what letter is this? U. U, right? So we have U. Okay, so the long U is oo, right? So we have the word new, right? This is a long U, oo. We have the word blue, which is this color, right? Blue. So blue, oo. We have the word tooth, oo, right? That's a long U sound. And we have the word fruit, fruit. That's a long U sound, right? And over here, the short U sounds like the word put, right? So we have the word put. We have the name kunchuk, right? That's a short U, kunchuk. We have the word foot, and we have the word pull, short U. This one I think, in my opinion, is a little tricky. But let's try these. So we have oo, 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 oo. Okay, so this chart with these long vowels and short vowels is downstairs on your computers. And what you should do is you should use this chart with the website I showed you, right, that has the woman's face, to practice these sounds. You should practice these sounds as much as possible, because your ears will start hearing the difference, and when we start reading more, it will be more understandable, okay? Okay, that was good. Does anyone have any questions about these sounds?
Yeah. What's the difference truth and fruit? Can you actually argue?
Between where?
Truth.
So tooth. So these words look similar because they both have two O's, right?
Yeah.
And this is actually a good question because this is one of the reasons that vowels are important and also difficult sometimes, right? So in this letter, in this word, you have two O's, right?
Yeah.
But Jinpa, this is a long U sound. The word is tooth, right? Tooth. Ooh, right? That's a long U sound. And even though this word has the same two O's, this is a short U sound, which is foot, right? So, for example, if I used the long U sound in this word, it would be food, right? Because here we have tooth, and over here we have foot, right? So Jinpa, as you start reading more and start using the sounds of English more, and all of you, you're going to start recognizing when to use a long U sound and when to use a short U sound. Okay, after a little bit of time, you will start to really know the difference, and it will get much easier. Okay, but for now, I want you all to start being able to recognize and hearing the sounds, right? So that you can start understanding when to use one and when to use the other. Okay, so quickly, let's go through this one again because this one's a little hard. Okay, so everyone repeat after me. Okay, so oo, blue, kunchuk, we have tooth, and we have foot, right? We have fruit with oo, and we have pull with okay? So we're going to keep